Hey there. So, today, let's chat about the importance of a healthy diet in our everyday lives. You see, nutrition is super important for staying healthy and feeling good. It's all about providing our bodies with the right nutrients to function at their best, grow, and last as long as possible. Firstly, let's talk about energy production and metabolism. Everything we do, like breathing or lifting weights, uses energy. This energy comes from three main sources: carbs, fats, and proteins. When we eat foods that are rich in these nutrients, we can keep our energy levels up and be more efficient at doing things throughout the day. Next up, let's talk about growth, repair, and cell function. Our bodies need proteins to make new cells and make sure our existing ones stay healthy. But it's not just protein. Necessary vitamins like vitamin D and iron also play a big part in supporting bone health, oxygen flow, and other important enzymatic functions. Now, let's talk about how good nutrition can help the immune system. A strong immune system needs good nutrition to work at its best. For example, vitamins C, D, and zinc help our bodies fight off infections. Plus, other antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods can help lower the risk of different health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Thirdly, let's discuss how nutrition plays a role in cognitive function and mental well-being. Some foods, like fish, whole grains, and fruits, are great for keeping our minds sharp and our moods up. Without enough of these foods, we can end up with some real problems like depression or anxiety. Good nutrition also matters for keeping our digestion working so that we can absorb the nutrients we need. Finally, let's hear what expert nutritionists have to say about making the most of our nutrition. To get the best out of daily life, we should eat this balanced, mixing up different types of foods like carbs, fats, and proteins, whole goods, using natural and processed foods, hydrated, staying well hydrated, as our bodies need water to work the best, personalized, focusing on what works best for you, whether it's your health needs or any medical conditions you may have. So, for more information on healthy eating, hit that follow button for our YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you want to stay updated on all things health, just give us a push notification or hop on over to our website. See you soon.